Take command of the road in the 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.